Howdy everyone. So I was trying to work out where this weird sloshing noise has been coming from. I was thinking, is it just I can hear the fuel tank maybe, the low fuel just sloshing around? And I thought, nah, it can't be. I asked my friend, this sprinter, and he says, no, never heard a sloshing noise in his van. So I was trying to dig around online, and I don't know why I couldn't find anything to do with like sloshing noises in the van. I've seen people mention about drain holes before, but never actually did look into it. I couldn't see anything about it. So anyway, I just thought I'd tackle it this morning before I start anything else, because I'm now at the point where I want to start putting the boards back on the inside to finish off the insulation and starting the interior build, because all the external stuff's done now. So anyway, I had a quick look this morning, and actually found what is the drain hole. Yeah, looks like there's 5 on each side, and all 5 mine on the passenger side were blocked. So I'm just going to do the driver's side now, which was the worst side that I could always hear. So this could be draining for some time, but I thought I'd just quickly show you where they are, because they're easily missed if they're full of dirt, and easily dirt like all the dirt's over the top of them, so you can easily miss them. But yeah, let's have a look. So let's try and get some light in here. So that there is one of them, and it's easily missed. Well, that's to give you an idea what it looks like. Just a bit of metal that protrudes out, and it's got a little hole in the middle. So if I do this now, there we go. There is my sloshing noise. Should I go along and do them all? That one. That's one, is it? There is one, but that one's empty. That's 3 now. Should be 2 more. One. A little bit of water coming out of that one. Last one, it's just here. There we go. All open up and cleaned. That one's still dripping away. I'm guessing it'll be there for a while. The other side was.